This is my new favorite makeup, all Ciele. This is so dewy and so perfect, and it has SPF 50, which is insane. Next is medium 5 mineral SPF, and this is the Tint and Protect. Okay, obsessed. So I put it right on my blender. It's going to mix it with the Ciele highlighters. Just put it right there, mix it all up, and we're going to be a mixologist with our foundation to get the ultimate glowy skin. I'm so obsessed. Of course, I'm mixing highlighter and a tinted foundation, all by Ciele, and oh my god, it's so beautiful, you guys. If you're not into glowy skin, go ahead and skip because you're not going to like this video. Look at that. All right, I'm going to do something a little bit controversial, but I've done this before in videos. I'm going to use the highlighter mixed with my concealer. Oh, it's so good. And also some right here. I'm going to use the Ciele. It's called Conceal and Protect SPF 50. It's a concealer with SPF. Do a little extra highlighting here. To go in now and do brows. I actually mixed 2 of the Ciele concealers. I'm going to use the little Ciele sponge too because I realized I had it. And I let that all sit down and pigment down. Now, since we're doing such a dewy, glowy look, I'm going to go in with a cream bronzer. I was going to do my bronzer first, but I think I'm going to go straight into the blush. Yeah, this is way brighter. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced and contour it. Why do people love cream products for mature skin? Because people love like the glowy look. Okay, first of all, that's just like on trend. That'd be like a fresh glowy look rather than, you don't want powders. I know people are really concerned about powders getting caught in creasing or making you look a little bit older. Like, I don't care about that. But I did think I should share this with you because I know many of my followers want the glowy, youthful look. Okay, so these are the Too Faced bronzing sticks. They're so good. They just blend so freaking easily. Let me show you everything I used so far because I am dying over this look. Tint and Protect SPF 50 for the skin. The highlighters. I went crazy with 2 different blushes, but look at the glow. Of course, I'm going to do a full face, but just this gorgeous dewy skin. I use these bronzing sticks by Too Faced. This is just the foundation of the skin. We'll build upon it, but I think this is so beautiful, you guys. It's so good. Today I'm going to be setting the whole thing with the new Kosas setting powder. Well, that's what she looks like inside. Oh my gosh. Concealer does not. Oh, wow. This is extremely finely milled. Oh my gosh. Set the under eye. Wow. All right, you guys, I went in and I did powders. So I did a powder bronzer. I did my Wet n Wild highlighter, which is the new YSL. Is this called Make Me Blush? Yes. Obsessed. Oh my goodness. What am I going to do for my eyes? Ooh, this Ciele London palette is so gorgeous. And it's well loved. All right, so the colors I used was No Apologies all over the lid, and then in the corner, Loud and Proud. I used Daily Slay with my finger, and just like literally do that. Okay, yeah. Maybe I'll go in with my finger. Sometimes you can just use your finger to get some more pigment up there. I went in and I did a liquid liner with the Givenchy Liner Disturbia. Liner Disturbia, love. And then this is also the Ciele London Wonder Wand mascara. And we're going to set the whole thing because when you spent all this time doing this makeup, set it. Can I tell you, I have 1,000 lip liners that I'm looking at and I hate every single one of them. All right, so I'm using this Runway Rogue, and this is in the color Trendsetter. Oh my God, I remember this. All right. Over the Cupid's bow. It's like brown, but not too dark. I only line my lips to contour them and actually even them out. This side's way higher, so I have to even out, and then this side is lower, which is normal. Use my finger to blend. And yeah, Runway Rogue and Guest List. This used to be the shit. The woman who created this brand, she's an ex-model. I don't know if the brand is still around. Pat it out and push it in. Now we take a look and I'm like, damn girl, you need your YSL lipstick, which is actually not YSL because you depotted it and put your own $5 lipstick in it because you love the container so much. A little lightness here in the center. We're finishing this whole look off with the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumpers. You guys, they don't even make this anymore. This color, I've held onto it. It's this perfect nude. You like pump it out. And just a little here to give me some moisture. It's perfect. And my hair is already dry because it took me so long to do my makeup. But that, my friends, is the final look. What do you guys think? The glow coming through, right? Look, it's happening. I love it. I love it. I wanted to show you what it looks like right in front of my window because sometimes the artificial light is not showing you exactly what the look is like. So if I can check this makeup in a few hours and it's going to look the same, I will be the happiest person in the world. And that's the look for today. And hope you guys loved it. And I'll see you again later. Bye.